Hey guys, this is Alex and I'm back with another video for you guys. And today, guys, I'm going to tell you show you the real face of exploding TNT. Yeah, the real face. It's not clickbait. This is not clickbait. It's 100% real. So yeah, I'm just going to show you the picture because I cannot talk. And yeah, let me just show you it in 3, 2, 1. Oh, was that the wrong picture? Oh, so yeah, this is the real picture. There you go. Oh wait, let me just stop my recording. Here's the real picture in 3, 2. Oh, again? The wrong picture, guys? Oh, well, finally, guys, this will be the real picture. I was just trying to build up the suspense. No joke. This will be real, guys. Don't skip. Don't skip. I know you're just going to attempt to skip the video. Do not skip. Yeah, you do not skip or I'll shoot this arrow through the screen and into your face. Just kidding. Oh, that was awesome. So, here is the real video in 3, 2, 1.